Oh dear lord. Oh dear lord. Oh dear lord. Oh no, what I do? What did I do? How do I get... Woo! What's up guys? Brandon back here with another episode of The Forest. I have not abandoned this game. I've been playing bits by bits at a time. And for some reason I just haven't been recording. I'm not sure. Um, but as you can see, for those of you who saw episode 1, I have come back to my original base. And I finished it off. I rebuilt whatever arms he destroyed. These aren't supposed to be here, are they? No. I rebuilt it. Like, not the prettiest of bases, of course. But, it's pretty suitable. I don't know if this is gonna work out anymore, though. See, I expanded my base beyond the trap. But I don't think that was such a good idea. Alright, now I do need food. I wonder if I have any here. I know I have a whole bunch of food in my other base, the little island one. I guess you could call it a base. It's just like a little... Eh. I don't even know what to call it. Jeez. But the main objective of today, as you may or may not know, they added a chainsaw to the game. Now, I don't know what to think of it. I don't completely agree with it. But I still want to go get it and see how it works out. Now, I have seen other YouTubers getting the chainsaw and they all have the rebreather. If you take a look at my inventory, I have canisters, but I don't have the rebreather. I honestly don't know where to find it. I found the gun. I have the tennis racket. I have modern axe. I even have the climbing axe, which I found all on accident. And I can't seem to find the rebreather. Everywhere I look, I just can't seem to find it anywhere. I don't think night would be the ideal... Oh jeez. Time to do it. I probably just destroyed some of it, did I not? Oh yeah, I have the repair tool. Nice, I just used those two. Yeah. 2 things I just used. Okay. Or should we just go during night? Should we risk it? I mean, if we do go during night, Jesus. If we go during night, let's see how much light this offers. I believe it's in one of caves that it's not so far from here. I hope so. There's a cave I always enter through. Yeah, it's not gonna keep me warm, is it? Jesus. Alright, first things first. I'm gonna get warm. The rain won't put out my stick of fire, will it? I'm pretty sure it won't. Okay. Hey. Nice. Okay, so I do believe it is this way. I think I'm headed the right way. I can barely see, but yeah. Yep, I think I am. If this is even the correct cave. We're full on... Oh no. Oh no, and I have to head that way as well. Okay. Nope, it did not burn longer at all. Let's see if this thing can get us over. Yes, it can. Alright. Jeez. Oh, I didn't equip it. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, I think the cave should be here. Yep. Been in here before. Okay. Holy. Sir, I wasn't here. Damn, that's loud. Nothing else I can pick up around here. Yo, I'm kinda debating whether or not to keep going. I mean, to throw a flare down here and then go, or just go down like this. Alright, first of all, let's change our settings. There you go. I believe that's the water where I have to go in through, and where most people use a rebreather. But let's see if we can do it without it. I honestly don't know where to go. Maybe this way? What is that? What'd I collect? Okay, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Maybe it's straight ahead and I just can't see it. Maybe. I mean, I can't really see anything, honestly. Oh, that looks like something. Can I go up? I think I found it. If this is the correct spot. Seems fairly quiet. And there it is! Nice! Is there anything else around here? Fuel. Oh, fuel. Fuel. What is this? I need to find the rebreathers still. But can be used as a weapon. Jesus. I can barely see it in this darkness. But we got it. I guess now we leave. Did we? Was that an entrance I just saw? That is. I don't think I've ever been through here. Alright, let's keep exploring actually. See what we can get ourselves into. Oh. Oh, we're here. And there's another entrance over there. Huh. Why do I feel like I have been through here, but never where the chainsaw was? Alright. Oh, meds. Holy. I don't even need... Do I need health? Alright, now... we have to find a way. Well, I mean, I know how to get out, right? The way we came in. I don't... What's the point of going down there again? Because I've been down there. As you can see, I even built a little temp house. But, I mean, nothing happened. Wait. Never mind. I think that's why I left. I needed a rebreather to go in there. In the little pond. Oh look. Guess we missed that the first time. Alright. I'm just gonna get out of here. What is that? Come on. Okay. Hopefully this thing's not there anymore. Wait till my stamina regens a little bit. Just a little bit. Whoa. Okay. We found it. Now, I say we save it. Actually, let's see it in action. Let's chop down this big old tree right here. Is it? It is? Look at that. Nice clean chop. If only I could take these to my base. But I don't think I need them. Okay, one other thing that I do want to go find. The katana. But I feel like we should remodel our new home first. So let's go do that. Alright, here we are. Our not so lovely but still very beautiful base. As you can see, flawless as always. This thing really bugs me out though. It's so why is it coming down this way? I don't know. I have seen people with locks on their doors. I don't know if that's like a mod or I just can do it. I don't know how to do it. I'm sorry, I probably sound slow right now. I didn't even know I had a flashlight. Okay. I think I want to get rid of this. And put some wall there and add some of these along this. Capiche? So let's do that real quick. Huh. What? Did that tree just... Is it... Why can't I... Okay. How? That tree just grew right there. Okay, anyways, I have these set up so far, so let's put that chainsaw to work. Oh, that's pretty lit, if I do say so myself. Nice. Alright. Okay, we should put this into our book bag. Not completely, I mean as a quick thing. Quick access, whatever it's called. I tell you. Alright. You know, as much as I like the game with just your simple weapons, it is kind of nice to speed up the tree cutting process. Although I don't see how a chainsaw would be on a plane and then, I don't know, crash land for someone else. Hey. I didn't even finish that one. Is this gonna give me logs? Sometimes really skinny trees give you sticks. Let's get to chopping. You know, it's actually going way faster than I thought. Let me take that out real quick. Just because the little chainsaw something got annoying. Need some food. Alright, let's actually... Alright, I already have my bow, my climbing axe, my plain axe, and the modern axe. I guess we can replace the plain axe. Combine as number 4. Alright, nice. Alright, let's chop these trees down. Hopefully they fall that way and not on my base. He's like, I've had trees fall on my base. Alright, where's the other? Okay, we'll leave this one. So far, so okay. Not the best base. Actually, not good at all, but it's there. Alright, now let's keep going. Alright, I have the rest of the place somewhat covered up. This one had to go all the way in there because apparently this tree doesn't let it come out further, which really bothers me. I think I can maybe put one more here. Let's see. Let's see if we could add one more there. No, obviously not because the tree is going to bother. Okay, but I have the rest of it surrounded. Pretty much all. As you can see, we need 151 more logs. Alright, now we go back to chopping. 148 logs left. There you go. My god, 99 left. Oh, great. I was wondering when they were gonna show up. Hold up, let me put in these two. Hold up. Jeez. Oh, that's a big guy. Are they hitting my base already? Alright. Let's go drink some. Actually, I'll just drink this. They're already hitting my damn base. Hey man, what's the deal? Stop hitting my property. Then you see I'm barely building it. Oh, you just burned me. You just burn yourself too? Jesus. Oh my god, what are you guys doing? What the hell? Bruh. Damn, they don't die. Oh no. Damn, they keep hitting my damn. Oh no, I missed. Oh no, I missed again. Come on, big guy. Me and you. Me and you. Gotta leave me alone. Dead? Oh, he's dead, alright. I don't want to pick that up. I want to pick him up. He's still hitting my base? Oh my god. I got him. I think I hit him. I think I hit him. Oh. Alright. Why can't I hit? There you go. Finally. Jeez. Can't ever do anything in peace around here. Alright. Now I need more armor. That I just equip, bruh. That's gotta do for now. Um. Okay. Back to building. Whoa. Hey man, what's the deal? Alright, he's dead. Let's take him. Get some bones off him. Drop. Now let's burn this guy up. I can't carry any more bones. Jesus. Alright. It's time to build something I think I'd need. If I can find it. Home basket. Actually, let's build this thing right here. 21 sticks for a bone basket? Jeez. Okay. Great, I didn't light it up. Do I hear something else? Alright, I really need more sticks though. So if I can get any more sticks to put in. Put these right here. Oh my god. Really? You alone? Oh, I just clacked her. I just clacked her head. What? You still alive? Oh. Alright, let's go burn her too. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright, I think it's nap time. Never mind. Jeez. Actually, how do we make armor? How do we make armor? Okay. Guess I'm not gonna be able to find out right now. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Okay. Okay. Awesome. Oh no. Yo, there's so many of them. Jeez. What am I gonna do about all of these? Already? You guys are wild. It kind of sucks in killing these guys. Jesus. Yep, I'm definitely about to die. No way, they broke in. Oh my god. They wildin'. What are they trying to destroy now? Honestly, dude. What? God. Nice. him in the fire as well. Oh my god, now I have to rebuild this too. Oh no, I didn't place it right. Yeah, that's okay. That's good enough. Oh my god, yo! There's no way. Why is there so many of you? See, what? Why is there so many? This is the #1 reason why I had left this base. There's just so many of them for no reason. Well, at least he's stuck. It's dead, right? Did they back off? Oh no. There's no way. Nice, I got a little birdie. Oh no, Armsy's coming now. Wait, where'd I... What? Oh my god. There's no way. This huge creature. Alright. Oh my god, yo. I have to rebuild again? Is that it? Alright, now I have more meat. Jeez, am I ever gonna finish here? Now let's collect as many as I can't carry anymore. 30. Alright, cool. Still here. not. I think. Jeez, man, they won't let me build in peace. I think I'm more than halfway through. Not completely sure. Let's do an old-fashioned tree chop. Damn, this kind of does take longer. But honestly, not as long as I remember it being. Oh my lord, 50 more. 50 more, we're almost done. BRB.